Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called ubiquitous material. Material that are universally available or ubiquitous. For practical purpose, the material that are somewhat generally available are normally termed as ubiquitous material. The significance of ubiquitous material is that they encourage decentralization of production. Industrial mineral are used either in a process or a natural state to make building material, paint, ceramics, glass, plastics, paper, electronics, detergents, medications, and medical devices, and many more industrial and domestic products. Industrial minerals are extremely versatile and span multiple markets. Talc, for example, is used in cosmetics, paper, and plastic. Silica sand is used to make glass, ceramics, and abrasive. Generally, we are seeing this kind of material as commonly available and can be used to make several products, and not so difficult to purchase or locate such kind of item. So this can support a supply chain management by its abundant availability, and it can be used as an alternative for many of the items. Thanks for watching. Bye.